Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Nokia G21. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and then begin search for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, move to the next step and you'll need to grant two permissions to the app. First one is overlay permission, click grant and then find NotifyBuddy, select it and then allow display over the other apps. Now let's move back and do the same thing with notification permission. Select NotifyBuddy and allow notification access, then click allow. Now if we move back, there's a third thing right here, which is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and click OK. From here you can start using the app, and there's a few tabs which you can browse. The first one is user, and here you can select any app to allow the custom LED lamp notifications for, and for me it's gonna be Netflix right here. In the system you can find all system bound apps, and in the active you can find all the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, placement on the screen, color, time between blinking, anything like that. Now in order to see how it's gonna look like, click the test button and you'll see this LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.